There have been so many vile and hateful things said about your husband, said about you, not unlike what the Bush family went through. I think it's part of the horrors of our political climate today and the blogs where people can anonymously, and in my word, cowardly, say things that they would never say if they had to tell us who they were. How do you deal with that? And how do you deal with it specifically, not just for you and the president, but for your daughters?
Why does Michelle Obama sound so bitter and angry as she campaigns for the White House? She's hoping to become the next First Lady of the United States. But Michelle Obama paints a very dim portrayal of what she thinks life is like as an American citizen.
She has not tempered that gospel of bitterness.
Michelle Obama doesn't seem to have many nice things to say about America. And she even sounds really bitter.
And I don't want to go on a lynching party against Michelle Obama. Unless this is how the woman really feels.
Hope is making a comeback. It is making a comeback, and let me tell you something. For the first time in my adult lifetime, I'm really proud of my country. And not just because Barack has done well, but because I think people are hungry for change.
Michelle Obama is now under fire for her controversial comments about being proud of her country.
Why has she never been proud of her country?
First time she's really been proud of America.
Proud of my country. Proud of my country. Proud of my country.
And the only time that she really felt proud was when her husband was running for president.
And not just because Barack has done well.
This is the thing she's proud of, her husband, not her country.
A fist bump, a pound, a terrorist fist jab, the gesture everyone seems to interpret differently.
It's all fair game, it's all fair, there's nothing brutal about it.
We're trusting that the American voters are ready to talk about the issues and not talking about the things that have nothing to do with making people's lives better.
But I also think these folks should lay off my way. just in case they're watching.
Maybe that's why Barack Obama should vote for John McCain if he's expecting another man to protect his wife.
You have Michelle Obama calling America downright mean.
Why does she think America's a downright mean country? Mean country, mean country. Downright mean. Mean.
A look at the image of African American women who are on television. They're usually angry about something.
There have been so many vile and hateful things said about your husband, said about you, not unlike what the Bush family went through. I think it's part of the horrors of our political climate today and the blogs where people can anonymously, and in my word, cowardly, say things that they would never say if they had to tell us who they were.
And as you know, that's part of politics today, and the truth is that most of America isn't like that, and they're tired of that. They want folks to get stuff done. The beauty of my job is that I get to see more of that America. And that feeds me, that sort of reminds me, like campaigning. I mean, what it's, the beauty of campaigning is that you're talking to America.
Yeah.
And it's a really cool country with some really great people all over the place. It still brings tears to my eyes.